Demo, Donna here with Sparkle and Sprinkle, and I am so excited about this awesome gem, the Crystal Drops by Nuvo, and this was my favorite find at CHA this year. So there are 14 of the regular gloss colors, which are awesome. I recommend getting two of each, at least of your favorite colors. They're so much fun, and then there's also 7 of the pearlized colors, so those are so pretty, the silver, the gold, and they're so fun. They keep their shape, they stay raised, they stay glossy, and you can make all sorts of different sizes. Thanks for watching and enjoy. Okay, so what I did to get started was I took my really awesome Medallion stamp set from Sparkle and Sprinkle, and we've got a couple of these. Here's another one to show you. And this basically takes the coloring out of everything too. So instead of coloring this image, I'm just gonna go ahead and start creating my dots. And the really cool thing about this is you can do all different sizes using the same color. So now instead of buying all different sizes of the different lacquer dots, you can just make your own. So I can make teeny tiny ones, I can make big ones, I can do all different sizes. And you know, if you're into those coloring books, this is so fun too. This was one of my favorite finds from CHA 2016. They're so easy to do, and the second you get your hands on them, you cannot stop. So see how fun and dimensional that is? And they dry exactly like that. So my rule of thumb with dimension is I always like to leave things overnight regardless. These though dry to the touch pretty quickly. I did this one probably an hour ago before filming this video, and they are already dry. Now something else you could do is make your own enamel dots like I did here. You know how I always tell you guys to save the backing of your Terrific tape? You can just go ahead and make any size enamel dots you want on your Terrific tape, and these guys just pop off. And then when you want to adhere them to a project, just grab the enamel dot. So I would let something like this sit overnight, grab the enamel dot, stick a little bit of that same color on the back of it, and then you can stick it on your project. A few other really fun things to do. I thought these looked just like the little candy dots we used to eat when we were little, and really worked well with our Rosa embossing powder. So this was a really fun birthday card. The disco card that we did last week for the Video Kit Club, I added some of the really fun from the Pearlized collection. There are 7 colors, and I did the silver here, and then I just added a touch of glitter to it. Now you don't want to cover these with glitter. That's what the dimensional glue is for. If you just add a touch of glitter, it's perfect. If you completely cover them with glitter, it gets to be a little too heavy and they kind of squish down a little bit. So I just kissed it just a little bit with the glitter, and that does just fine. Now this is really fun. I was actually playing with it over our watercolor, and it's really neat because this was white, and the white actually soaked up the watercolor underneath. So I just thought, wow, what an amazing way to use your white on top of the nuance watercolor, and you can go ahead and create all sorts of different designs. So that's just the tip of the iceberg on some cool things you can do with that. Also, kind of a sneak peek for an upcoming video with our Pop-Accessories. Here is the little Pop-Accessories gift box pop-up card, and I thought it would be so fun to create the little dimension and the design with that little box inside. And look at, you can do teeny tiny ones too. So, and I did this today as well, and I could already fold this and it's nice and dry. So I said my rule of thumb is I like to let things dry overnight, but this stuff does dry pretty quickly. And then just to show you how the possibilities are endless, here is a fun design that I played with probably about 5 minutes before starting this video. But look at how fun and big you can make these dimensional embellishments and really change the sizes. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on the adorable Crystal Drops. Leave us a comment below, and we would love to hear from you. Talk to you soon. See you next week. Thanks.